Hi, this is Jennifer F. Charles 12. I just wanted to do a quick video to let you know that I got a new camera to fix the volume problems that I've been having on my channel. This week's been going great. I think I got to the gym Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Eating's been pretty good. I haven't gone over my points. So everything's going good. This is Saturday. Didn't sleep too good tonight, but everything's going okay except for that. I'm holding my camera because I didn't feel like getting the tripod out. Besides that, but next time I'll get the tripod out and put it on that. But yeah, everything's going good. I've been eating a lot of fruits and vegetables, and I roasted some broccoli with olive oil and salt with just salt, and everything's good, going great. Comment, rate, and subscribe.